Drinking turmeric water at night may offer several potential health benefits, although it's important to note that individual responses can vary. Here are some potential benefits associated with consuming turmeric water in the evening. Anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound with strong anti-inflammatory properties. Consuming turmeric water may help reduce inflammation in the body, which could have positive effects on overall health. Digestive health. Turmeric has traditionally been used to support digestive health. Drinking turmeric water at night may help soothe the digestive system and alleviate symptoms such as bloating or indigestion. Improved sleep. Some people find that turmeric can have a calming effect, which may contribute to better sleep, while more research is needed. The anti-inflammatory properties of curcumin may potentially play a role in promoting relaxation. Blood sugar regulation. Turmeric has been studied for its potential to regulate blood sugar levels. Stable blood sugar levels can be important for overall health, and consuming turmeric water in the evening may help in this regard. Weight management. As mentioned earlier, curcumin in turmeric may have potential benefits for weight management. If weight loss is a goal, the anti-inflammatory and metabolism boosting properties of turmeric could be beneficial. Antioxidant boost. Turmeric is rich in antioxidants, which can help combat oxidative stress in the body. Antioxidants play a crucial role in overall health and may contribute to a range of positive effects. It's essential to keep in mind that while turmeric water can be a healthy addition to your routine, it's not a cure-all, and it's important to maintain a balanced diet and lifestyle for optimal well-being. Also, consulting with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications, is advisable. Additionally, if you decide to consume turmeric water regularly, consider adding a source of fat like black pepper or coconut oil to enhance the absorption of curcumin, as it has low bioavailability on its own.